Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of text effect using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. You can change the text and you can also change the background. If you want to download this project file or template, you can download it from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now let's jump to the Photoshop and get started. Okay, so first of all, drag and drop your photo into the Photoshop. Unlock the layer and convert it into a smart object. Let's rename it background. Now create a color lookup adjustment layer. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. On top of it, create a curves adjustment layer. And adjust the curves just like this. Now select all of these layers and then press Ctrl G to group them together. Let's call it background. Next, select the type tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Click on this icon to confirm it. Pick the move tool and position it to the right place. Also convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Now open this group, select this layer, hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and drag it to the top. It will duplicate the layer in the same position. Now right click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask so that it will only limit the layer beneath it, which is the text layer. Now select both layers and press Ctrl G to group them together. Let's call it Light Text. Now to create the reflection, let's duplicate this group by pressing Ctrl J and then call it Reflection. Drag this group down. Open the group, select this layer, press Ctrl T to open Transform tool. Right click on it and choose Flip Vertical and then move it down. Right click on it once again and choose Perspective and then distort it just like so. Confirm it when you are happy. Now go to Filter, Blur Gallery and choose Field Blur. Let's drop down the blur value to 0 and then create another point right here and increase its blur value to about 110. Let's zoom in a little bit and move this point right here. Hit OK. Change its blend mode to linear edge 8 and click on this icon to create a layer mask. Select the gradient tool, click on this drop down menu and select this black and white gradient and then create a gradient just like this. It will add fade out effect which is looking nice. Now to create the glow, let's duplicate this group by pressing Ctrl J. Let's call it Glow. Change its blend mode to linear edge 8. Open this group, select this layer, go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Blur it about 25 pixels. By the way, it depends on size and resolution of your image. The size and resolution of this image is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Hit OK when you are happy. Collapse the group and drop down its fill to 30%. And that's it. Now it is done. Now you can change the text. Open this group, double click on this layer, it will open another document and here you can edit the text. Just type whatever you want, confirm it, close the document and Photoshop will update everything for you just like this. You can also change the background. Double click on this layer to open a document and here you can replace your photo. Just drag and drop your photo, scale it and position it into the right place. Confirm it when you're happy. Close the document and save it and Photoshop will update everything for you. So this is how you can create this kind of design in Photoshop. By the way, if you wanna learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.